In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add iPhone emojis in your Canva project. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add iPhone emojis in your Canva project. Whether you're designing a social post, a presentation, or a flyer, emojis can add personality and help your message stand out. Let's walk through it step by step so you can follow along easily. Start by opening Canva and going to your design. You can use the web version on your computer or the Canva app on your phone or tablet. Open an existing project or create a new one, and make sure you're on the page where you want the emoji to appear. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Text. This is important because emojis will be inserted inside a text box, just like regular characters. Choose. Add a text box and place it where you want the emoji to sit. You can keep it small if you're only adding one emoji, or make it larger if you plan to mix emojis with text. Now open the emoji keyboard on your device. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period key together. On a Mac, press Control, Command, and Space at the same time. If you're on an iPhone or iPad using the Canva app, use the on-screen keyboard and tap the emoji icon to switch to the emoji panel. You can search for an emoji by name or browse by category. Select the iPhone emoji you want, and it will appear in your text box immediately. You can add more than one, or combine an emoji with words if you like. If nothing appears, make sure your text box is active with a blinking cursor before you select the emoji. From here, adjust the size, color, and position of the emoji as needed. To change size, select the text box and increase the font size or drag a corner handle to scale it up or down. To adjust color, use the text color controls. Note that some emojis maintain their native colors depending on your device and font support. Position the emoji by dragging the text box into place and use Canva's alignment guides to center it or line it up with other elements. If you want multiple copies, duplicate the text box so formatting stays consistent. That's it. You've added an iPhone emoji to your Canva design in a clean, flexible way that works across devices. And that's how you add iPhone emojis in Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.